Hello, today we will guide you through how to create presentation with Microsoft PowerPoint. To get started, open the PowerPoint app. This will bring you to the main start screen where you can begin creating a new presentation. If PowerPoint takes a moment to load, just wait until the home interface appears clearly before moving on. Once the app is open, click on Blank File. This gives you a fresh presentation to work with without any pre-built content getting in the way. Starting with a blank file is a good option when you want full control over how your slides will look and what information you want to include. After your blank presentation opens, go to the top left area of the screen and click on Insert. This tab is where you can add different types of content to your presentation. PowerPoint organizes many useful tools here, so this section is important when building slides that include more than just text. Next, click on New Slide to add another slide to your presentation. This allows you to expand beyond the title slide and organize your content into separate sections. Adding slides as needed helps keep your presentation clean, structured, and easier for your audience to follow. Now click on Design at the top of the screen. The Design tab is where you can change the overall appearance of your presentation. This is helpful because choosing a consistent visual style early on can make the rest of the editing process smoother and more professional looking. From there, select a sample background. This applies a theme or visual style to your presentation and helps set the tone for your content. When choosing a background, make sure it looks clear and does not make your text hard to read. A simple, clean design usually works best for most presentations. Next, click on Insert again to add a photo and a text box. This is where your presentation starts becoming more engaging and informative. Photos can help illustrate your ideas visually, while text boxes let you place information exactly where you want it on the slide. Try to keep your layout balanced so the slide does not feel overcrowded. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure to continue designing your presentation. As you work, use the options shown in PowerPoint to adjust your content, position elements, and refine the overall look of each slide. Take your time with spacing, alignment, and readability so your presentation is easy to understand and visually appealing. And that's how to create a presentation with Microsoft PowerPoint. With these tools, you can build slides that are organized, clear, and ready to present.